Hi, I'm Jason with Go Outfitters. In this tutorial, I'm going to demonstrate two easy ways to make zipper pulls with Go line and tactical toggles. Zipper pulls made from Go line are highly reflective and visible, and they give you a much better grip than a zipper pull tab. Plus, they look cool. In this video, I'm working with large lengths of Go line, but it's easier if you start with a 7 to 8 inch piece folded in half. Tie an overhand loop near the ends. Thread the center of the loop through the eye of a pull tab. Then pass the knot through the loop and pull the knot. This creates a girth hitch. To make a zipper pull with a toggle, the process is exactly the same, except you just need to thread the toggle onto the line before tying an overhand loop. And now you have some useful bling on your gear. Thanks for watching. More videos are coming soon.